Guys, checkacola or Matt, and again we have another snowstorm. It's March 24th or 25th, I believe, and it's snowing. We're supposed to get over 10 centimeters of snow in the next 24 hours. So yeah, 미치나, crazy. 진짜 미치나. Noon. So much snow. You thought winter was over, you thought spring would come, and then Canada hits you with more snow. So it's really crazy. The snow was all melting the last couple days, and you could see the grass, but Mother Nature decided to hit us with some more snow. It's not really cold. I don't have any gloves on. I do have a face mask on because the wind is really bitter. Not cold, but just bitter. It keeps hitting your face and it can give you frostbite or frostburn. It'll make your face turn really red for a little bit. You'll get over it, but it hurts for a little bit. So yeah, Canada, it's snowing again. Spring is not here. Spring officially started on March 21st, but as of right now, it's snowing and it doesn't look like it's going to quit anytime soon. We thought that 2 weeks ago it was going to be the last snow, but it snowed again right now, so it's really crazy. Cars beeping, people looking. They're not too used to people holding cameras in the snowstorm. That's what we do on checkacola. We check the weather. So I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I get home soon. It's really crazy outside right now. Really slippery. So I'll see you guys again next time. Annyeong. Checkacola. Oh.